What's up, guys? It's Jeff with the House of Garb, and in today's video I'm going to talk to you a little bit about something I got. We'll do a little unboxing video. I'll probably do a review in another video, so stay tuned and let's roll the new intro.
Welcome to the House of Garb.
All right, how about that new intro? Yeah, it's a little better. I need to still work on some things. I don't have great video editing skills, but I try. And anyway, let's go ahead and get to this unboxing and show you what I got. Got this package in today. Obviously it's from Heat Press Nation, so there's your little hint right there. Yeah, it's a heat press. If you watch my videos, you know I work with a 15 by 15 impress from Heat Press Nation, and I started my business a little over a year ago with that heat press, and it has definitely done its job. It's been a great heat press, and it's great, starting out, and if that's all you need. But that was my phone. Anyway, if 15 by 15 is all you need, it's great, it works. But I decided to upgrade. This one, 16 by 20. And whopping 120 pounds. I had to just carry this down the basement steps. And I was gonna splash some water all over my face and make it look like I was sweating, but I didn't do it. Sorry, guys. So I did get it down here, and I'm literally sitting on my basement floor right now talking to you, and let's go ahead and get this bad boy open and show you what I got. Alright guys, so this is what you see is in the box. If you haven't guessed it already, this is the HPN Signature Series 16 by 20. It's the auto open. So let me get this out of the box, because I don't want you to see me struggle, because it just would not be fun. It would be fun for you, but not for me. I got it out of the box. It's like laying like this on the floor. So, yeah, if I can actually show you. There it is. So it's kind of like on its face. I had to kind of, tilt the box up on its side and kind of scoot it out. And like I said, this thing weighs 120 pounds, and it's basically just me here right now that's able to lift this thing. And it had a board on top of the box, like once you open the box up, and then a board on the bottom, and it was bolted in with these bolts here. So I had to get these bolts out. I'm just kind of going through the process of what it's like when you receive the package. Another thing to note is I ordered this exactly 6 days ago, and it was on a Friday. So minus Saturday and Sunday, it got here in 4 days. So that's not bad for shipping. It came FedEx, and the driver was actually nice enough. We've got kind of like these big steps going up to our house, like 4 steps, I think, maybe 5. And he was able to help us get it like into the house, so that way I didn't have to take it up the stairs by myself. So that was pretty cool. Thanks, FedEx. So anyway, I guess my next step would be to put these little feet, like rubber feet. Came with this bag of like little rubber feet. So I'm gonna put those on the bottom and then put it in this little spot. So there's a little spot right there. I already took my other press down, and so let's get this up there and see you in like 2 clicks. That was hard. I I got it up here, up on this table. Had to take these little straps. There's little straps up on the top here, kind of holding it down, clamped down so it wouldn't move around during shipping. I will say, it was definitely shipped and packaged very nicely. Once I got it up here and took all the packaging off of it, I got a little worried. I think we're okay, but as you can see, like the platen wobbles a little bit, and I have it plugged in right now. You see, like back here, it's just loose, and it's really weird. It's like, should that be wobbling like that? I figured, you know, it'd be pretty solid, but it seems to be okay. And this is the auto open press, so you can't just lift it back open. There's a little red button here to open it if you want to open it manually, or wait for the timer to go off. So that's pretty nice. So also, if you've noticed a little difference in the audio, I was having some camera trouble. I'm just sitting here, I've recorded this entire video without my mic on it, so I was using the camera mic. So I guess you already know, but I don't know yet that the audio is probably a little wonky. So hopefully it's okay. Hopefully you can hear me and I don't sound like I'm talking into a trash can. So first impressions so far on this thing, I like it. You know, it's definitely a good upgrade for me. The platinum's nice, 16 by 20. As you can see, it's got the little handle right here. You can slide this little thing out, do whatever you got to do, you know, with vinyl or whatever you're pressing, and you're not totally underneath the platen. And you know, when you got stuff that you have to kind of hang over the edge, you're not right here on this edge, you know, burning your hands. And that's kind of nice. It's got this like cloth thing too. It's got a little rubber pad underneath the cloth. And you see that little rubber pad. So a little rubber pad, then like a little protective cloth. And then when you're ready to press, you slide that drawer in, bring this down, and good to go. And then, like I said, it's got this little red button, so if you don't want to wait the full time, you hit the button, and it comes up. This is also an auto open. I know I mentioned that before, but this is an auto open, so it, you know, it just opens by itself. It's kind of nice. I've heard a lot of people say that it kind of pops open real hard when it opens, but you guys can see it. I mean, check out how this thing opens. I don't have a lot of pressure on it, but I have, you know, decent pressure. Here we go, open. Doesn't seem to open too heavy for me. So, yeah. Other than that, here, check out the screen on it. So it's got like a really nice digital readout. So I like that. So my first impressions on it, I like it so far. Again, it's just out of the box. This is really, that's all this is just a quick unboxing video. I know I do a terrible job of putting these things together sometimes, these videos, but you know, I just try to, you know, educate you on what I'm going through. You know, figured, you know, if you're interested in something and you're getting ready to make the switch or getting ready to buy your first heat press, you know, you could watch this video and maybe it'll help somebody. That's my main purpose in making these videos is, you know, if I can help somebody or, you know, vice versa, then it's all a good deal for all of us. So I think that's the end of this video. And with that, this is Jeff with the House of Garb, signing out.